The holidays are right around the corner, and that means there's going to be accidents and spills. So how do you clean some of these common spills once your clumsy relatives have left your home? I don't want to sound like Scrooge McDuck here, but I absolutely hate glitter because this stuff gets everywhere. Let's get started with glitter cleanup. Obviously, you want to make sure you do a thorough vacuuming first, but I don't care how good your vacuum is, there's always going to be some of this annoying glitter left behind. So using a lint roller is the ultimate way to fine tune, making sure you get that glitter out of your home once and for all. Now let's talk about oil spills. There's always cooking oil that's going to spill. And this works great for a lot of different food spills as well. Just put baking soda on it, because what's going to happen is this is going to create almost like a dough, making it a whole lot easier for you to clean up. All that greasy mess, all you got to do is take some paper towel, blot it up, and then push it to the side. And of course, take something to sweep it up. And when you've done a great job sweeping everything up, you have to fine tune with some dish soap to degrease. If there's anything left behind, degrease with dish soap and a microfiber cloth. Wipe it clean and make sure there's no slippery residue left behind. Now on to coffee stains. Who doesn't love coffee? Well, sometimes coffee gets spilled. So what you're going to do is take hydrogen peroxide and blot it up. Again, with stains like this, you don't want to go ahead and rub it like crazy. You just want to blot it up and make sure you get the majority up with paper towel. Then take some warm water with a little dish soap and blot up the rest until there is nothing left to transfer from the carpet or rug onto the cloth itself. That is very important. On to candle wax. If it's on a surface that you can't scratch, go ahead and simply use a blade like this and scrape it up. Simplest way to do it. If it's on a surface that you don't want to scratch, that is a little more delicate, it's all about using heat. Make sure to really heat up that wax to loosen it. Then take a microfiber cloth and wipe it all clean. The more you heat it, the easier it is to wipe clean. Then, of course, wipe it down with some dish soap to clean the residue. Now, this is the most tricky part. If you have wax on an area rug or a carpet, it's annoying, but it is possible to clean it out. Again, use heat, use a comb, and slowly remove everything that way. Then take some rubbing alcohol and blot up whatever remaining residue is left behind. And that wax will be gone and the carpet looks good as new. On to greasy dishes. If you're the one stuck with doing the dishes, use Dawn dish soap. It just makes life a lot easier and removes that annoying stubborn grease. And of course, there's always somebody that has to spill the good Merlot. If this is what you get and you're stuck doing the cleaning, use hydrogen peroxide with a little dish soap mixed into a spray bottle, spray that cleaning solution, and dab up all the stains so it transfers onto a cloth. Now, yes, this cloth I know how to wash afterwards, but what I wanted to do is use a lighter one to really show you how it lifts up the stains. Then take a microfiber cloth, damp it in some warm water, and continue the blotting process until there is nothing left to transfer again from the carpet onto the cloth. And that is it. And if you want to give me a holiday gift, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow. Happy holidays.